Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
All right, my little ones, tonight I want to tell you the story of a remarkable woman, Lady Hamida, the mother of Imam Musa Kazim. Her journey shows us that true greatness isn't tied to status or wealth, but to character, faith, and piety. Lady Hamida was born in Morocco. She was a pious and virtuous woman, but during a war, she was captured and brought to Medina as a slave. But Allah had a greater plan for her. One day, a companion of Imam Muhammad al-Baqir asked, "Why don't you find a wife for your son, Imam Jaffer al-Sadiq?" The Imam smiled and said, "Soon a caravan will arrive, and among the captives is a special woman chosen by Allah." When the caravan arrived, Imam Muhammad al-Baqir instructed his companion to buy Lady Hamida. Amazingly, the coins matched her price exactly. When she was brought to the Imam's house, he greeted her with immense respect and said, "You are praised in this world and the next." Lady Hamida wasn't just a wife. She became a scholar, answering the religious questions of women in Medina. Her knowledge and wisdom earned her respect, proving that true greatness comes from within. On their journey back from Hajj, Lady Hamida gave birth to Imam Musa Kazim in the village of Abwa. Imam Jaffer al-Sadiq said, "Allah has blessed me with a son who is among the best of his creation." So you see, my dear ones, Lady Hamida's life teaches us about equality and inclusion. She rose above her circumstances through faith, knowledge, and character. From being a slave, she became the mother of one of the greatest imam. Never forget, your worth is determined by your character, not your circumstances.